Today is Monday. Today it's holiday in my country. We don't have class because it is the province day. Okay, so that's why we don't have class. Day to
I will, I will go. I will going to Huế uh next next Friday.
Wow, this coming Friday?
Yes.
Oh,
I will be in a resort.
in the resort. What with whom?
They call that resort is Langko Beach Resort.
Langko Beach Resort. Is it far?
I think not very far because it's in Hue and Hue is near Da Nang.
Ah, okay, so that's good. Okay, at least. Okay, so here. Now, okay, so who are with you going there? Are you
Mm,
with family?
yes, I go with my family and with some older family.
Wow. Oh, how about Messi's family?
Yes, Messi family always goes every trip because his family have to who good and very kind to good the kids and security. I think so.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's why he's always be with you. He's always together, or they go in your family trip always. Okay,
Yes,
so let us have here. So
yes,
let us have here. Oh yeah. Okay, let us have here. Tono.
yes.
Okay. So we have here the different activity vocabulary. Designer. Oh, do you know the word? Do you know the work of the designer?
Teacher, we are done this.
Ah, we are done with the job. Okay.
Yes,
Oh, sorry. Oh, I will share another this one. We are done with the job. Oh. How
the
about
re
yeah, review. Okay, let us have the review for this one. Okay. So time for review day 13. Okay, so we have this one. This is the review for everything. This is the review from Unit 1, developing 1 to 12. Health problems, we done with this, right? We tackle, okay, occupations. This is the job, right, Tono? Okay. And we have clothing. Okay, we are done with clothing. So these are the special words for clothing. Okay, dress, skirt, blouse, high heels, sandal, gloves, pajama, and trousers, and sweater. These are the best or the most requested clothing. Okay, so when we go travel. Okay, this one, clothing, we're done. This is a review, Tono, ha? Okay, so using of the past simple, you know already past simple, like putting, be or ed, or with the use of was. Okay, the 50 most common irregular verbs, this one. These irregular verbs are the verbs that does not end with ed. Okay, you understand, Tono?
yes,
So these are the words that does not end with ed. Okay, so present continuous. Okay, so here, look at this. Yesterday, my ankle repaired. Okay, please with the correct form of the bracket. Okay, this one, okay, are having. So you will use S when you can see be verb. You will use is or was. Okay, please answer. Or just try. If you think it's wrong, it's okay, Tono. Okay? Please remember that one. I will not get mad if you cannot correct, do it or answer it correctly.
Okay.
The weather is very humid.
I'm finished, teacher. I'm finished, teacher.
My elder brother is very intelligent. He wants very good, don't know, to be a doctor. Okay. She is having, hey, terrible. headache right now. This is present continuous. Okay, so 5, please read. Tono number 5.
When my parents are young, they love Rolling Stone.
Okay, so when my parents are, okay, oh, they, past tense, love, okay, when my parents, they love Rolling Stones. When my parents were young, so it means it's finished, okay. My sisters, or sister, okay,
Believe.
believes, okay, present tense, in magic. Oh, how about you, Tono? Do you believe in magic? Is magic true or no, it's not true?
I don't believe in magic because
Oh,
I
why?
I think the person make the magic is they very fast and we can't see.
Oh, yeah, the person who make the magic moves it very fast, and sometimes we cannot see. Okay, she always tries tricks. Okay, your answer is tries, but the correct spelling is why. If if the noun is ends with Y, okay, so you will have to change Y into I and add ES. Hey, what are you doing? I am very good doing my homework. Okay, number 8, please read. Once upon a time there was
It
Tono. Once upon a time, half finished. Okay. What is the answer here? She loves or loved?
love scary, love scary
Oh,
children.
this is past tense. Look at this. This is past tense. This was. What will be your answer here? This is past tense. Was. So what is the answer with love? It's loves or loved.
Love love is LOVED.
Very good. Okay, because this is was, okay? She loved scaring children and she, what is the answer here? Lives or
LIVED.
lived? What is that? Oh, again.
LIVED.
L-I-V-E-T. Ah, very good. Okay, every day she, this is correct, waited for children out of her house with a really scary face. Oh, waited, huh? We are talking here past tense. Remember, Tono? So when you can see in the past, in the beginning, it's past tense. Everything that follow will be past tense. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What do you do for a living? Is your personality suited to your job? Okay. So how about your family, Tono? What is your mom do for living? And what is your dad do for living? Okay. What do you think?
My mom is the job. Her job is accountant, and
Mm-hmm.
she work in a restaurant. But but the big but the people in there very kind. But sometimes my mom make angry and or sad. And
Mm.
my father um had to give had to give have had to give the some um,
Your father have to give some?
um trained trained the build the beautiful the something make me beautiful. I don't remember this in English.
Okay. Something that makes you beautiful. What is that? Something that makes you beautiful.
Yes,
What
my
is
dad
that? Is
is.
that, your dad give you something makes you beautiful?
Yes.
Wow,
Check.
what is that? It's
Mm, let me let me see. Um,
yeah.
mascara and mascara.
Mascara?
Yes.
For the
Uh,
eye, for your
uh,
eyes?
yes. Sun cream. Sun cream and
Mascara and some cream. Wait, on ha, just something that makes you beautiful. Wow. Okay, wow, that's great. Okay. So that's great that your dad give you something that makes you beautiful.
yes.
Okay. So fascinating. Okay, so this one. What is a typical meal from your country? Okay, like in the dinner time. What your mom usually prepare in the dinner time?
Mm, rice, rice or vegetable,
Mm,
meat, meat, actual, uh, usually meat, meat I usually eat, is, um, beef or pork.
usually it's beef or pork. Okay, so that yeah, that could be. So you usually have the beef or the pork. Okay.
Sometimes my
Okay, so you know the way you know the dish beef stick? This one. Have you tried this?
beef steak,
Yeah.
uh, I
Or
I never had eaten this. I think I will eat one time. In the future.
in the future. Okay. Yes, okay. So this one. Okay. So how often does your family eat dinner together? How often?
I think it's not usually, but not sometime. I think it's often.
Okay, like every weekend. Do you
Yes.
think you will go every weekend?
Mm, when we go out,
Yeah.
we have to eat together, but at home, the children will the children has have meal before and my parents had meal after. Sometimes my mom don't eat because uh, in the restaurant my mom had dinner at three at 5, 6 p.m. before my
Mm-hmm.
mom go home.
Okay, I understand. Okay, how often do you exercise? Do you exercise? How often is it? How often do you exercise? Wait, Tono ha, just a minute, Tono. I'll just go to the bathroom. Oh, okay. So, Tono, how often do you exercise?
I think in my free time or often in the morning.
In the morning. What exercise do you do?
Mm,
Cooper! Cooper! Start up. Okay. What exercise do you do?
I ride my bike or walk around out in the park.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. It's already a form of exercise when you ride a bike, you are gonna cycle, you are gonna play. Okay. What do you think is the most serious health problem in Vietnam? What do you think? The most serious health problem in Vietnam?
I I think I don't know how the most serious health in Vietnam because I don't know how I don't know the serious health each older person and and myself. Sometimes I know it's serious.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you don't know about that one. Okay, so most in my country, it's the last one is COVID. It's COVID-19. That's the last one. But I don't know up until now. Okay, so there are still cancer. Okay, most serious problems. There were so many. Okay. So how often do you go to the doctor? How often do you go to the doctor?
When I have a vaccine or I have a problem with health.
Mhm. So when you have a problem with your health, okay. So do you like shopping for new clothes? Why or why not?
Yes, because I think in there I think in my clothes
Mm-hmm.
something is very old and
Wait
tender
lang.
and
Okay. So, okay,
and
look at the picture, Tono. What they're doing? They're shopping, right?
yes,
Mm. So do you like shopping for new clothes? Sometimes, maybe.
yes,
Okay.
sometimes.
Okay, sometimes. What are some of the strangest fashions you have seen? Okay, strangest, strange for you, fashion that you have seen. Look at the fashion here. What fashion that for you? Oh my God, it's so strange. I haven't seen that yet.
Mm, I don't know because
Mm,
I don't see each other. I don't care about their person, when but I think when I go watch show fashion, I
mm,
see a stranger fashion.
mm. Okay. So actually, there are many fashions today, right? So many things changes, so many clothes changes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here. Where do you plan on going in the future? Oh my God, look at the view. I don't know where this, maybe this is in England, somewhere in Europe. Okay. So, uh, where do you plan on going in the future?
I think it's Banana Hill like the picture because I can go the Golden Bridge and see the castle.
Hey, so of course, you can see that one. What country you would like to visit in the future, Nate? Even
Mm,
John, what country you would like to visit?
I like to visit Korea because the food in there is very delicious. But
Mm-hmm.
to go to America in New York, I think it's very exciting thing, and I see of lights lights city.
Oh, you see the light in the city?
Yes. I,
Okay, you love it. Okay, yay. Okay. Hmm. So, what kind of developments might happen in the healthcare about health in the future? What do you think? What kind of development might happen in the future?
um, I think I think more serious health. I think serious health.
Okay, so healthcare, about the healthcare. What do you think will be the healthcare?
I think maybe should go to the start doctor
Mm-hmm.
sometime and do exercise. I usually.
Okay, you will go exercise. Okay. So healthcare, it means the insurance, it's the company who will going to take care of you whenever you are sick. I know your dad or your mom has this kind of healthcare because they are already adult. They know already what to do. So it's very important for them to have the healthcare. Oh, I believe we already have the healthcare. Okay.
Okay.
So next one, okay. How about this? Okay, so we're done with this. So let's move to another topic. So this is review. Okay, wait ha. So healthcare is very important, no? So whenever you get sick, it's very easy for you if you have the healthcare already.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you have healthcare with your mom. Oh, wait. I- and okay, let us have here the topic about tourism. Okay, so let us have the topic about tourism. I will share now.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let us talk here about tourism. Okay, so we have vocabulary. We're talking here about different countries. Okay, so can you guess, Tono, what are these countries? Can you match?
Yes.
Okay, please
I
try to match. Just write the number only. You write the number here, okay?
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, do you know which countries they are in and match them with countries? Okay, number one, France. Okay, Turkey. This is in Turkey. Okay, three. Oh, this is USA. This is Peru, number seven. Okay, this is Peru, number two. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. Very easy. How about this one? Okay, so we have here how many? E, F, and G.
Okay.
5, 6, and
Finish, teacher.
okay. Now letter E, that's China. This is in China. Okay, look at this. 7. Turkey is done already. Tono. Okay, 6. This is in Kenya. Correct. You can see the, what animal is this? This is
Yes.
zebra. Okay, and oh, England. It's the White House. Okay. So we have vocabulary. We have the word aquarium, botanical garden, and cathedral. Okay, have you tried to enter like this, an aquarium, a very big aquarium? Wait, wait, no, no, I will turn on the light.
Okay.
Have you tried to enter, Tono, this one, this very big aquarium?
Yes, it's very
Uh,
big.
yeah, where? In Vietnam?
I think some in the zoo or in the Wimberland because in Wimberland, Nha Trang has a zoo and has a aquarium, a big.
A very big aquarium, like this? Like, okay, so botanical garden. Have you visit botanical garden?
No, but I think I will visit it soon.
Okay. Okay, so we have fountain, harbor, and the mosque. We have fountain, harbor, and the mosque. Okay. We have ruin, national park, and station. Okay. Ruin, it's the damage. Okay, theme park, this one. Okay, have you tried to ride like this?
Yes,
You want to ride? Oh my God, it's so scary, Tono. I am so
I
scared to ride that one.
tried it 2 times.
Oh, 2 times? Really?
Yes,
Oh, what did you feel?
I think it's very fun and don't I not scared.
Oh, you're not scared.
Yes, it's
Oh.
classic in there is very cool.
Oh, wow. Okay, tower and water park. Have you tried to have this? The
Yes,
water
I
park.
used I often go to water park because water park is near is not far from not very far from my house.
Ah, okay. Not very up. The water park is not far from your house?
Yes, not very far from not
Oh, oh, at least not very far from your house. Not that
yes.
bad. Not
It's
very far.
it's far but not very.
Okay.
I often go to water park. They call is Bikayuki Bikayuki because this water park tell about the Japan and is and in there has a hotel resort and it's many and it's very cool.
Okay.
Many country in the world want to visit there.
Okay. Okay, so Tono, we don't have enough time for now. I am sorry. Teacher Ahan has another class. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
So I will see you on Wednesday again. Yeah, Wednesday, right? Wednesday. Okay?
Mm,
Uh,
Tuesday, teacher.
sorry. Tuesday. Okay, tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, what time tomorrow? 4 p.m. again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Tuno, for today. God bless.
Goodbye, teacher.